My blissful gorgeous self, your intellectual inefficiency and incapacity to understand the Vedic heritage is the solution to all problems and sufferings of life in the world, as well as subtle points of Gita and Bhagavad, fast enough, then you are called Mandapragya. Okay? If you have habit of wasting time and energy in pointless questions and fun and joke and amusements and customary talks and formalities, then you are called Kutarki. If you are addicted to too much of body obsessions and lots of tenacity with I, my, me, you-ness, you are called Duragrahi. If you are attracted, fascinated, attached too much to sensual objects intensely, you are called Vishayasak, Vishayi Purush. Okay? These are four pratibandhas, my dear friends, which act like as Muslims and leftists and secularists are involved in rousing riots and fights and bloodsheds and arson, creating troubles and problems against the government which wants to establish peace and harmony and joyful coexistence. The same way, all four cults and religions and faiths of pratibandhas are to do endless danga fasad, endless riots and bloodsheds against the sovereignty of God. Okay? That's to be remembered always. So, watch out, be careful of pratibandhas. So no matter how loudly and repeatedly you shout out your religious slogans or convert all 8 billion people on the earth into your religion, as long as you do not turn introvert until and unless you fail to do introspection and meditate successfully, signaled by entering a timeless, breathless, egoless point of your being, so long no effect will be traced out in your life as being peaceful, inwardly happy and unconditionally loving to the whole universe. Till then you will not grow a single inch, my dear friends. That is true. Your body will be recycling in millions of life forms, and your mind will be as restless as ghost, as mere ghost. There are 3 special spiritual privileges, my dear friends, when you are born as humans. When you are risen above gravitational pulse of ahara nidra bhaya methunam, meaning just grain eating, long sleeping, free sex and fear of all kinds, then you are privileged by being called human. Okay? When you have risen above all these, then you are privileged by being called human. Secondly, when you have developed a stormy, cyclonic search for real meaning of life, the absolute reality, param satya ki jigyasa, then you are rich with 2 special privileges. Third is when you discover Sanatan Vedic Dharma and adopt Hindu sanskaras and recognize a truly God-realized enlightened saint of almighty caliber, and he accepts you as a good disciple, you become equipped with 3 special privileges and have decided to reside. So, if you have decided to reside in Vrindavan, then also you are equipped with 3rd privilege. Okay? Vadanti tattvavidas tattvam yajnanam advayam brahmeti paramatmeti bhagavaniti shabdyate. Absolute truth. So, what you do residing in Vrindavan or any holy place, when you reside for any purpose, what you should do? Searching the absolute reality within, okay? Absolute truth is Satchidanandamaya, means eternal power, eternal intelligence and eternal happiness. Just like hydrogen and oxygen are abstract gases, just air, okay? But when H2O combine becomes water, and water when gets cold in certain degree turns into ice. Now, air is unmanifest, water is manifest liquid, but ice is solid with many forms, exactly the same way. One absolute unmanifest formless truth becomes effulgence of divine light, and when with high degree of causeless and conditional love oozes from your heart, the same divine illumination manifests in the most beautiful form known as Bhagavan. So, the first is Brahm, the second is Paramatma, and the third is Bhagavan. Brahmeti Paramatmeti Bhagavan iti shabdyate. The Bhagavan is defined as someone who is omniscient, omnipotent and omnipresent. Also, the definition of Bhagavan, the definition of God is one who is matchless in Aishwarya, in Dharma, in Yash, in Sri, in Jnana and Vairagya. All the six. So there are many forms of Bhagavan with 24 incarnations, but Srimad Bhagavatam says, Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Sri Krishna is Swayam Bhagavan, concentrated universality, along with one special quality of Madhurya Bhav, Madhurya. That means the unlimited sweetness and unlimited beautifulness, unlimited blinding love. He is Madhurya Murti. Sri Krishna is Madhurya Murti, okay? So, Kailash, Vaikuntha, Saket, there are many dhamas for Bhagavan. So, where they reside, Bhagavan in each of his form reside there eternally. And Sri Krishna has three dhamas. Dwarka is Purna Dham, and Mathura is Purnathar Dham, and Vrindavan is Purnatham Dham, where beauty, sweetness and love are fully manifested. So, my dear friend, Bhauma Vrindavan, visible material Vrindavan, is non-different from Divya Chinmay, invisible transcendental Vrindavan, now beyond our cosmic age, beyond our Brahmanda, okay? Whenever devotees in Bhauma Vrindavan during intense Kirtan Bhajan Jigoless, the same transcendental Vrindavan flashes up to him or her, or even when he is over his or her Bhavade, is transported to the beyond abode of Sri Krishna, where he provided eternal life, okay? So those devotees who do their sadhana with Aishwaryansh Avalamban, they are provided life in Golok Dham. That's what Jiva Goswami has said. Those who do their bhajan seva with Raganuga attains to transcendental Vrindavan, Bhauma Vrindavan, okay? Bhauma Vrindavan means or any vehicle. So Vrindavan expanded from east, and the Yamuna, vast stream of Yamuna river beaches, to the west Giri Govardhan, okay? So Vrindavan expands from east Yamuna, that is vast stream of Yamuna beaches. To the west, that is Giri Govardhan mountain ranges. Okay, there were many more hillocks and rivulets and fountains and groves in Vrindavan, which have been disappeared now. North was ghost cow shades, and to the south entrance gate was. There was in the south of Vrindavan, there was entrance gate or exit gate, and the paths to go to Mathura and other villages. There was small stream or canal dug by the Gopas from Yamunaji, from far distant place, which was unpolluted by the Kaliya cobra poison, alongside which baby Krishna with his friends used to go and play as recorded in Srimad Bhagavatam. Shukdev Ji Maharaj sings, Sarittiragatam Krishnam Bhagna Arjunavadhavayat Andarunnopeyatam Vedavadav Krida Sangena Mudravo Yashodam Prenayamas Rohini Putra Vasalam Kridantam Sasutam Balairati Velam Sahagrajam Yashoda Jovit Krishnam Putra Snehasnutastani. These childhood pastimes and many sweet Panagat Leelas took place where canals and rivulets constructed under the guidance of Upananda and Sannanda and younger brothers of Nanda Babaji. Same way, there were 3 roads to go to Mathura. One was shorter and then shortest, the longest. The longest road for royal chariots through which Akrurji and Uddhavji with Rathena Vayuvegena travels. With Rathena Vayuvegena they travelled and reached to Vrindavan by the evening. Long before Akrura riding royal chariot, Nanda Baba and Gopas reached Mathura suburb long before Akrura and Krishna Balram. Okay? So, Vrindavan was inhabited in a half circle shape. Yamunaji doing circumambulation, means doing parikrama from 3 sides. Therefore, Shergarh area could also be possibly was part of Brihad Vrindavan. It should be observed. My blissful gorgeous self, in next discourse we will speak on Yoga Pita of Vrindavan. Thank you very much.